Hi guys, Dorothy here from the Stash Depot, and we're here today to celebrate our 100 subscribers. Yay! We currently have 83, but we know that 100 is right around the corner. We wanted to go ahead and get our giveaways listed and the prizes, that type of thing, so everybody could start entering and be ready. So when we hit 100, we could immediately send it out and not have to, worry about, dragging it out even farther. We're giving away 2 prizes. Each prize will include a rack of miscellaneous journaling supplies. And then our first giveaway will be the small U-Buy kit. This is to me, this is what I call it anyway. This is my traveler's junk journal kit, on the go supplies. I mean, it works great. Everything in this box is functioning, and I'll try to show you as we go. There's a small pair of scissors that actually do function. There is a small hole punch, and it's got the little bottom that catches all your little holes. There is a small stapler, which staples. There are extra staples. There is a small tape dispenser, and I'm pretty sure, I haven't tried it with mine yet because I'm still using the tape, but when I finish it, when you finish it, there's a plastic core, and well, you can see the plastic core really well on the extra. So when I empty mine, I'm going to wrap my washi around it that, is this size, and have it, well, I actually have 2, and I'll have 2 washies on the go, and, this just pops apart just like your standard tape dispenser. And, you can switch in and out of when you need to use your washi. There is a pencil sharpener, which I'm not going to show you because everybody knows the pencil sharpener works. And then there is a staple remover. So, oh, I'm sorry if I bounced the camera, hit the camera. I am so sorry. So everything fits in here when you do it the right way. And it closes up, perfect to carry in your purse with your journal. Works great. So this will be our first prize with a rack. And then the big prize, yay! No, this is actually an altered file folder journal. This was created as either a travel journal or, to carry in your purse, or if you want to leave it on your work table, however you want to do it. So this paper collection is from Antique Paperie, and I will leave a link to this kit in the comments below. So this is a paperclip pin holder, and I will leave a link to the tutorial where I got this from in the comments below. There's a small tag, 2 charms, and a pen. There's the cover, and again, the images in the Antique Paperie kit are just amazing. So I'm trying to make sure I stay in frame. Okay. So you open this up. There's a small pocket over here. This pocket contains a postcard and a small tag. And you'll notice this file folder is not heavily embellished because I created it like I said, as a travel or more of a usable journal. I know a lot of times we have our journals and they're pretty and we've got lace and piles of stuff in them, and we don't want to use them because they're not functioning. And I wanted to create something that was actually functioning that you could use on a daily basis if you needed to. Gorgeous imagery. Small tag. So there is some lace. There's a small journal. And I sort of designed this if you were traveling, you'd want something small you could carry with you easily. Stamps you can actually cut apart and use. Small tag. Again, journaling spot. And you can rate your trip. Small tag that is also a small tag journal. This is the front of the large journal within the kit. Card and a tag. Remember, where you can write all your memories down. I believe there are 8 pages. Yes, there are 8 pages that are empty, so you can put tickets and stubs and pictures and, diary. To me, this like I said, was more of a travel on the go thing. In the back, I've included a small scrap pad of papers that I created. There's also a small tag. So also remember to bring your itinerary, your passport, luggage, maps, camera, snacks, and other. And this small belly band just helps hold the notepad in. I did that backwards, I'm sorry. So it helps hold that all in there. And there's the back. And again, like I said, this is another prize. It will also include a rack. So, you know, I hope you guys, you know, enjoy the gifts. You know, it'll be great to see who wins. We appreciate all of your support. And, you know, honestly, you guys have been absolutely great. And, you know, love the comments, love, you know, the interaction that I get from everybody. So I totally appreciate it. Again, to enter the giveaway, you need to like, subscribe, and comment below in the comments if you want to, you know, leave whatever comment you like. If you'd like to, you know, to see certain tutorials or anything like that, you know, feel free to comment. Feel free to post. Tell us what you want. I mean, that's what it's all about, you know. So, again, thanks. We appreciate your support. You know, it's amazing reaching 100 subscribers. So, thanks a lot. We appreciate you, and, you know, hopefully we'll have a lot more videos together. So, again, you know, 2 prizes. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll talk to you later. See you for the next video. Bye.